about to be live.
His ideas blow all of us away.
I try to find ways to simplify everyday life.
30 seconds.
Anything you want to do in life, you can do it.
Who would believe we can do it with banana peels?
10 seconds, sir.
Cooking, cleaning, plants, self-care, hair care, skincare. It's everything, you know?
Okay, our next guest has more than a green thumb. He is a green genius with millions enjoying his crash courses. Look at him there. Thank you so much for being here with us. We're so excited to have you here.
You're in your kitchen where you do a lot of these videos.
I saw a video of you cleaning, actually. That was the first time I saw you. And I was like, I need to implement some of these cleaning hacks. I mean, he was taking baking soda and a lime wedge and scrubbing his sterling silver as chrome. You make this look so easy. Can anybody do what you're doing?
Absolutely. It's super simple. And that's why I do what I do, is to show people that a lot of the stuff that they think is complicated, it's actually very easy.
And you do a lot of regrowing of food, from avocados to mangoes. Your videos feel like a cool kids science show. How did you get all of this expertise? Did you grow up around a garden?
Not really. I spent the last 12 years creating videos. You know, I'm a filmmaker, so starting off, it was already a passion for me, but now I found a way to combine my love for filmmaking and, you know, to help the world through this knowledge.
My producers pointed out that there's a little baby pineapple on the plant that's in the foreground there. So you're growing a pineapple in a pot. You grew this from a seed.
When you buy a pineapple at the store and you twist off the top or cut off the top, most people throw out the top. But if you plant it, this is the top right here. So then it'll eventually grow a new stem and a new pineapple will produce.
You recycle everything from potato skins, walnut shells, pomegranate skins. I saw you doing a video, you used dog hair as fertilizer in your plants. So you swept up the dog hair in your apartment, you put it in your plants. What is this? Is it clean composting? Is it like recycling, upcycling without actually composting?
There's a lot of stuff that you can do with the stuff that we're throwing out on a daily basis. A lot of stuff that we're buying at the store is made from the stuff that we're throwing out. I just found new ways to recycle and upcycle those things, the waste that we call trash. And it's amazing what you can do with these things. People are learning, people are inspired, and that makes me happy, you know?
I love it. Show us one of your food hacks.
Strawberries. Everybody chops off the ends and wastes like half the strawberry. Just grab a straw. Ironic, right? Strawberry straw. And poke it through one end like this. Oh, there it goes. So it'll remove the stem and you don't waste anything. Oh.
You're a gymnast too, I think, and a juggler. You've got some books coming out.
Yes, I actually have 2 books right now. They're out. They're on plants and gardening, but I have a new book coming out which is going to cover a lot more, variety of stuff, including how to keep your fruits and vegetables fresh for longer.
I was shocked at some of the things that you've done.
Thank you for having me.
That's so awesome.